come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Nathan, so Faizan Kidwai says, go to the court if you have a problem with Waqf, if there's encroachment, if there's corruption, if your land has been snatched. Go to the court.
Yes, absolutely. Now let me explain why Faizan Bhai is totally wrong, but I will use his own argument to defeat him. First of all, everyone has a right to protest, but no one has a right to prevent. Remember Shaheen Bagh, Swati? Disgruntled, hate-filled bigots blocking streets illegally, inconveniencing lakhs of commuters for no rhyme or reason, no logical argument, no rationale, except to display a show of strength. तेरा मेरा रिश्ता क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, हिंदुओं से आजादी, काफिरों से आजादी, हम लेके रहेंगे जिन्ना वाली आजादी, हिंदुत्व की कबर खुदेगी, शहादा रिप्लेसिंग द अशोक चक्रा, चिल्ड्रन वांटिंग टू किल मोदी एंड शाह. Remember all that? If, as these pro-Waqf Islamists are threatening a repeat of Shaheen Bagh, I am telling you, I am not going to blame them. Because I will squarely blame Modi and Shah. They failed the first time to uproot the Shaheen Bagh. And if they fail this time round two, then let us just accept that we are a weak state that capitulates every time in the face of street veto. And for what, Swati? For a blatant, discriminatory, predatory, supremacist act that has relentlessly usurped 6 lakh acres of land in the last 10 years. Swati, first a 1500-year-old temple, then an entire village in Bihar, then an Indian parliament, then acres of iconic Vijaypura, then Kannur military land, then 400 acres of Christian land in Kerala, then the sacred Mahakumbh land, all have been claimed by Waqf. The day is not far when from Peshawar to Plasi the subcontinent would be united again as one nation under Waqf. This is bizarre. We have a draconian Waqf Act that has usurped thousands of acres, as I said, of government, personal, even temple land, and we only want to amend this act. Swati, unjust, discriminatory, draconian acts are not amended. They are abrogated. Do not amend the Waqf Act. Abrogate it. Look, I have nothing against the Waqf board. Why should anyone? Countless boards, charities, NGOs exist.
Right.
The problem is the Waqf Act. And here, just give me 30 seconds. World over, disputes over property are settled using existing laws that are community and religion agnostic. Why should a particular religious community be armed with another set of laws, those that are patently discriminated towards member of another community, as a primary instrument of defense or indeed offense? Is there a Hindu equivalent of the Waqf Act? Promulgate one in the interest of equality then. Let those who want continuation of the Waqf Act watch as Hindus lay claim to thousands of mosques and Muslim villages and enjoy the privilege of disputes being addressed primarily not through the courts, but via the clauses and strictures of the Hindu equivalent of the Waqf Act. 24 घंटे में लाइन पे आ जाएंगे ये. Look, amending the Waqf Act is akin to chopping the head of a hydra. Do not do this. Do not amend it. Abrogate it. Hai dam.
Shehzad Poonawalla respond.
First of all, I'll address the question that has been raised by Samajwadi Party. सांप्रदायिकता के ऊपर बोलने से पहले थोड़ा आईना देख लो. The party which wanted to release Muslim terrorists and in fact was stopped by no less than the High Court, which said that अगर आज इनको निकाल दोगे तो कल क्या इनको पद्मश्री दोगे, वो सांप्रदायिकता पर कम से कम ज्ञान ना बांटे. दूसरी बात, अभी उन्होंने कहा कि सनातन संस्था है, कोई और संस्था है हिंदू राष्ट्र की. हम तो हिंदू राष्ट्र वैसे ऑलरेडी है. ये हिंदू राज्य नहीं है. हिंदू राष्ट्र अलग है, हिंदू राज्य अलग है. परंतु अगर आपका स्टैंड इतना फर्म है तो बताइए AIMPLB जिसका स्टेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव है शरिया शुड बी देयर एंड ओवर संविधान, दे पुट शरिया. Take a stand against AIMPLB. And thirdly, these are the same people who in the name of CA इन्होंने भड़काया. एक नागरिकता नहीं छीनी किसी मुसलमान की, पर दंगे किस प्रकार से हुए. आज CA के नाम पर वही मंडली फिर से BBC भड़काओ भाईजान कमेटी काम पर, क्या कहकर कि वक्फ के नाम पर सारी जमीनें छिन जाएगी. ये वक्फ की रिकमेंडेशन कहां से आई? सच्चर कमेटी रिपोर्ट. वॉज इट एंटी मुस्लिम? 9 JPC रिपोर्ट ऑफ रहमान खान एंटी मुस्लिम था क्या? ये वक्फ की रिकमेंडेशन पारसी, आगा खानी, बाकी कम्युनिटीज, दरगाह के सज्जादा नशीन, इन लोगों ने दिया. क्या वो एंटी मुस्लिम है क्या? अब मैं आखिरी बात, लास्ट पॉइंट, 9 लाख एकर्स की जमीन है वक्फ की. इनकम कितनी है? 200 करोड़. अब मुझे बताइए कि मुझे 5 हॉस्पिटल के नाम बता दो जो वक्फ की जमीन पे चल रहे जिससे कि गरीब मुसलमानों का भला हो रहा है. ये एक्चुअली एक कॉकस है जो लैंड ग्रैब करता है वक्फ के नाम पर. और इसीलिए, और देखिए आनंद रंगनाथन को मैं एड्रेस कर सकता हूं.